What quick optimizations can make PPC more profitable in a short time? The easiest way for you is going to be pause everything that is not within the strategy anymore and buy what is within the strategy anymore. If you're auditing someone else's account, you will assume that you're going to bring your own strategy. Unless they told you exactly that, hey, don't touch this campaign because that is its purpose, assume that everything is outside of strategy. Those are the things that you can be pausing right away, especially if you're seeing that they are not generating any income. Second thing, what you can do is look everything that is generating income but at very high cost, so above 100, 200 cost, and especially those that are bringing 1 to 2 sales. Careful there, because what I noticed is that sometimes those campaigns might be 1 or 2 of them, but if you have a big account with 100 campaigns like that, those are going to end up in 100 orders. So the moment that you're going to pause them, you're going to make a big break in the account. So be careful on the amount of those campaigns. If the campaign has multiple products, and especially if the products are not producing anything, then can be paused. Or if they are producing but a very high ACoS, that's also, you can pause them and you can leave only the products that are profitably producing sales for you. That would be the easiest way to do so.